I strongly recommend it to the persons who really want to pursue their career in cybersecurity should consider race as a very serious option. My name is Kalyan Chakravarthy, and I done my cybersecurity over here, masters in REVA University race department. Why I choose race is nothing but about the industry-oriented concepts, and as well as updated and new thoughts and new innovations where the mentors which here are carrying and giving those knowledge to us. And I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I used to travel generally whole night over here because of this kind of environment which race is giving. And I strongly recommend it to the persons who really want to pursue their career in cybersecurity should consider race as a very serious option. And for me, I think cybersecurity is all about. Without cybersecurity, there is nothing a digital thing. So the persons who are choosing over here, it will help them a great future for them.